Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I'm gonna react song called MITTAM Lanu by Lalsanglien Inboun. So guys, let's start the video.
Lấy chung mô lệ lang tin na aban banin tolin em bi ti zong le.
What a good song, man. Listen carefully. I love the song very much from the starting. So guys, enjoy it.
Poison Lanu nahi
Poison Lanu means poison girl. I think so. It will be like this. So guys, let's continue.
Tang pan tong don lâu ding MITTAM Lanu na thing dam noi dấu thing bằng in ma ngô. Namate nga chun thu sit na.
Let me speak in my own mother tongue. Hilahi tu mahoya tinuranga. Takan rungai ti hoi kiti japa. Poison Lanu ti poison ngak ti na anita. So guys, arangai murti arthia tu murti reng reng ki channel murti le clear tu reng reng le subscribe ti le naiti le san ulla sunday sak ha tho enno ko ti income video in im in imuranga tam tak le enno re.
Mấy kỳ băng nghìn di nghìn chung thi mù băng cái lập xa ngô thăng vàng gió lá mà ngô ôi dân lá nụ mê linh thấy lên tăng quan tông đồn lâu đinh MITTAM Lanu na thing dam noi dấu thing bằng in ma ngô.
As you're gonna see that you can see that in the video they have acted like they are living in a village area. So I love the way how they are acting, and I think they are belonging from the rural area. So guys, being myself, I am from the rural area, so I think all of you who have been watching this video are enjoying. So guys, this song gonna be the most the best one ever. So guys, let's continue.
Lên lang kum kỳ hay nắng ghel na phát hơi lại chỉ dấu vinh lung xê tung ngay na min hình boy ting ting câu ta po.
In this video, you can see that all of them are enjoying this song. So guys, even we also enjoy. We should also enjoy this song. So then let's continue.
Ôi dân Lanu mê linh thấy lên tăng quan tông đồn lâu đinh MITTAM Lanu na thing dam noi dấu thing bằng in ma ngô. MITTAM Lanu
only the song, even who created this track, that means the instrumental. He's very intelligent. He created this song, not only song, even the instrumental is very good. He has created I love this kind of music also. Even like even myself, I used to create some instrumental. Even me at not right now I'm not at my hometown, so I could not create the instrumental and all. So guys, I'm very much interested in making instrumental and all. So due to out of station, so guys, I have quit all this work, all the works. So guys, let's continue again.